everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I know guys, I don't have my eyes on or anything, so I'm looking a little different to you guys, but you guys asked that I come back and do another look with the Alter Ego Temptress palette. You guys, I am in love with this palette, and of course they if you missed my is it a dupe or just a waste of money, they did give me a coupon code. It's still 15% off. 15% off you will get on this palette if you use code HOTMESS, and I will leave a link down below for you guys, or their website down below for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and use that. You guys know I'm always up front with you guys. That is an affiliate code, so if you're not down to give me a little bit of a commission, don't use it. So anyways, I'm excited to do another look with this palette for you guys, and I'm going to go ahead, zoom you guys in. But before we get started, if you guys enjoy this video or any of my content, I would greatly appreciate it if you gave me a big thumbs up. I hope at least by the end of the video you decide to subscribe for a bit. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have the handle scrolling down here somewhere. I have a second channel, guys, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where I talk more about my keto lifestyle journey, family, all that good stuff. So that is in the description box, as well as, of course, my daughter's channel. So make sure to check Haley's channel out as well. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, zoom you guys in, and we're going to go ahead and get started with another look on my face with this palette. Woo, first video of the day. Hey guys, so this palette does retail for $16. Like I said, there is a coupon code that you guys can use. I have been loving this palette. And it's funny because I've had the sultry palette for I can't even tell you guys how long, and it just wasn't a palette that, I don't know. I feel like because if you guys saw Is It a Dupe or Just Waste Money, you saw that I felt like I had to finagle the colors in the ABH palette a little bit more than in this palette. I'm going to just go ahead and start off with the shade Lace. A little bit about this palette, guys. It is cruelty free. It does last a total of 12 months. There is talc in here, so if you are sensitive to talc, there's talc. So just so you guys know. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this lace color all over my eyes. Like I said, this is going to be a different look than what you guys saw in my Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money. I am going to jump into the shade right here called Whisper. I'm trying to be really good about talking through what colors I'm using. Applying this right into the crease and a little above. Again, I do have mature lids. I don't try and hide the fact that I am 40. You guys, I own it. And you should too. Never be ashamed of your age, okay? So anyways, with that being said, I have mature lids. And if I shut my eye and try to do this, it skips. You guys will see me kind of like look down. I do a lot of patting before I do my blending. That just kind of helps the whole process of not skipping. So anyways, you guys ask what my brush is. This, I'm like a one and doneer. This is just the Morphe M576 brush. Now Alter Ego does have two of their brushes, and I really love them. The one that is my absolute favorite is this one right here. I don't know the name of it or anything, but it's a big flat one, and I had it in my thing, and I'm still getting used to finding brushes that I actually enjoy. They have another one, and I don't know if their whole giveaway is still going on, but they were saying that when this launched and I did my video, that if you ordered this palette, you got my discount, and they did ship 2 free brushes to you guys. So yay! So you guys know I'm I get a little weird when it comes to grays, but I've been doing this look lately when I go to work and everything, and I'm actually really digging it. So, digging it. Do people say that? If not, oh well, I do. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Lust, and just kind of warm it up. You guys know that sometimes a little too much cool tones wigs me out. Again, it's like a flashback of my high school experience with the Clinique lady who told me with my blue eyes, I could only wear gray shades or very muted gray purples. It was a really sad moment in my life because I loved neutrals and browns. And she was like, no, that doesn't look good on your eyes. And I'm like, ow. So anyways, I'm going to warm this up just a smidgen with that Lust shade like so. And then I am going to take the Lust Lust shade and eventually find a pencil brush. Here we go. This is one by Juno & Co. This is an ES08. You guys have asked if I like Juno & Co.'s brushes, and I actually really do enjoy them. So I'm just going to take that warmer shade just a little bit underneath my eye. Again, giving that warmth because I still have flashbacks of Clinique Lady. So I am going in with the Alter Ego big fluffy, I don't think it's a fluffy, it's just like a fly up brush. And I'm taking that lace shade right here, and I'm just going to put that up by my brow bone and then in my inner corners, kind of setting the tone for the pop that I want to put there. So from there, what I like to do is actually mix some colors. So I am going to jump in. This is a different brush again. This is a Morphe R39 brush, and because I kind of want to do like a sultry smoky look, I'm going to mix After Hours and just a dab of Stiletto, just like that, real quick, and then back into the After Hours chocolatey color. Then again, because of my mature lids, and I think maybe they're hooded, I don't know, you guys know I'm not a professional makeup artist, I'm just going to lightly dab it right through here. You can see what my brush picked up, so I'm just going to real light. This is what's really nice about this formula is it blends. Nope, that's not the word I'm looking for. Builds. It builds up very nicely, just like CColor Cosmetics, guys. I am so happy to have come across these brands because their formula is absolutely amazing. Okay, so there's that. So of course that is a bit like too cool tone for me, so I'm going to jump back into this Lust shade and dab that on top, again going in with the R39 brush because it's going to add a little bit, in my head at least, a little bit of warmth. Just kind of tapping that on there because I'm 40. Going back in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to lightly just kind of fluff it. Then jumping over to the other side and doing the same thing. We're going to have one side higher than the other, so I'm just forewarning y'all, this is a judgment-free zone. Sorry, earbud users. I'm going to go back in with the pencil brush from the Juno & Co. ES08, and I'm going to just put a little bit of the After Hours and the Lust shade on here, and then buff that underneath the eye. Also, warning, my camera has a mind of its own and likes to go in and out of focus, so sorry if I'm out of focus. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this black Stiletto shade, and I'm taking a little angled brush. This is just an angled liner brush by Bodyography Pro. You do whatever brand you want. Half these brushes I just either get in subscription boxes, or I was a part of the Morphe Me back in the day, like... okay, I forgot to put my phone on silent. Anyways, we're dipping into that Stiletto, and then we are going to press it right through here to just give the appearance that we have a little bit more lashes than we actually do. To my blonde-haired friends, you will like this. To my mature ladies, you will like this method too, because you don't have to go in with a deep dark black eyeliner or liquid pencil or anything like that. You can just do it this way, and it really helps to make it look like you have a little bit thicker lash lines. Now, if you have very, very blonde hair or very fair skin and blonde hair, shout out to you, Paige. My cousin is very fair, light hair. Going in, I would recommend probably going in with like this chocolatey shade, and you could even mix it into here and then go close to the lash line that way, because if you are that fair skinned and have that, you know, lighter hair and everything, that black is still going to be pretty bold on you. So you definitely want to go in with more of a lighter brown. I say lighter, but you guys get what I'm putting down, right? These two shades right here. Put those on there, then it's not going to be as bold and as noticeable. There's going to be a little bit more of a natural look to it. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna hop off, whoops, after I drop everything, and I'm gonna apply some liner and maybe put my phone on silent, I don't know. Hashtag professional, and then some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my liner and my mascara. Another quick tip, since I felt like I was kind of giving tips there, is, and I'm not recommending the Monsieur Big. You do you on this. This was just on sale at the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, and I picked it up. But I recommend for your lower lashes, especially if you are more mature or you have light lashes or not a lot of lashes, if you want to fake that you have a nice lower lash line, go with a brown mascara on the bottom part. Leave the black or the carbon black mascaras up top to like really get them popping. But especially too, if you have smaller eyes, go with brown. Go with brown on the bottom. You'll be surprised at the difference. So anyways, okay, so as you guys probably noticed, I did not put a shimmer or anything on my lid. Also remembered, I did want to use this. This is what I'm using on my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose, which is probably ticking people off that my nose is shiny in the center like a Rudolph, but I like it. So anyways, this is the Strobe palette by CColor Cosmetics. This has been in a lot of my favorites, guys. I love this. As you guys can see, or maybe not, I don't know, my camera's old, it's an antique, but I use this a lot, like a lot. So what I want to do is I wanted to put a little bit in the inner corner because as you guys saw, I used that cream shade to just kind of really give it more of, I don't know the word, but like canvas. We'll just call it a canvas. I'm just going to use this brush. Again, this was one I got from Ipsy. I think it's a SL Miss Glam. I'm going to go in with this shade right here from the CColor Cosmetics palette and a little bit of this one. And then I'm just going to right there in the center. And it just gives you a nice, soft, natural kind of glow. I mean, I don't know how natural, but you guys know what I'm saying. A nice little glisten. And then what I want to do on the actual lid is I want to go in, this is how the palette is, guys, like this. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is like a really, really affordable palette, guys. And if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know I love CColor Cosmetics. They are also kind enough to give me a 10% off coupon code for you guys. That one is HOTMESS10, friends. So, again, that is an affiliate code, so if you're not down for giving me commission, then don't use it. So I'm just going to pack some of that right through here, and it's a really pretty, like, pinky gold shade. Would that be called rose gold? I don't know. Anyways, so we're just going to pack that right on there like so. And that is going to be the finished look. Guys, I had to zoom you guys out and take the clip out because my hair, I don't know. I just did. So anyways, again, the two palettes that I used are these right here. This one is the Alter Ego palette called Temptress. This is $16. And of course, like I said, if you use code HOTMESS, you will receive 10 to 15%, but you can still save money on that. And then, of course, this one is the Strobe palette by CColor Cosmetics. And if you use code HOTMESS10, you do get 10% off of your total purchase on that. Like I said, and I repeated myself, but I love to be totally upfront with you guys. If you're not down to save money and you're not down to give me a commission code, don't use it. That's fine. But definitely still consider picking up these products because they're both very, very amazing. I actually spoke with Alter Ego and they said that they have more palettes coming. So I'm like, what are you releasing? I gotta know these things. Let me know. And of course, I don't know when this video is going up, but CColor Cosmetics has a couple new palettes coming too. And I'm like, whoa, hurry up. I'm dying to know what they are. So, and they may, by the time this video goes up, they may have already said what the dupes are. But you guys, the videos are coming. As soon as I can get these in my hand, they're coming. So anyways, like I said, HOTMESS10, that'll save you 10% at CColor Cosmetics. And then just HOTMESS saves you 15% at Alter Ego. So anyways, I wanted to put this video together for you guys. Like I said, you guys asked me to do another look. And I wanted to incorporate that highlighter palette because it is by far, like, it has been my go-to highlighter palette. You guys, I'm a little embarrassed to admit, if you guys see right here, those are my Natasha Denona palettes. I have not touched those and I can't tell you how long. because if you see right here, this is my whole collection of CColor Cosmetics palettes. This is my Alter Ego palette. These have been the only palettes I have been going to, guys. My bank account really appreciates it. However, when I see like my Pat McGrath and things sitting around, I'm like, oh girl, you need to reevaluate things and maybe get the use of your money. But it's hard to let go of really good quality, affordable items. So there's that. So I may just start doing like random videos like this where I start just going through my collection and creating looks for you guys, because I'm sure you may or may not have some of these palettes that I've just got sitting behind me collecting dust. And no, I know what you're saying, Rhonda. Put them up on Poshmark or sell them or give them away. I am not at that point in my life, guys, where I am ready to do that. I will admit to y'all I'm a hoarder. I will admit that 100%, but I am not in that point to declutter. So there's that. Yeah, I know. I may need therapy, whatever. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me go ahead and make sure to give a post notification shout out. I'm really sorry to all of my earbud users or earpod users. I talk a lot and then I all of a sudden out of nowhere get loud. Shoot, I just did it. I was trying not to do it. Okay, anyways, if you want to be a part of the notification squad, it's really easy. All you have to do is make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Click that notification bell. I believe it's 2 times. And then leave me a comment down below. Hashtag notification squad, hashtag team hot mess, whatever it may be, as long as it's kind. And you'll get a chance at a shout out in a future video. Also, don't forget, I do what's called goodie bag giveaways every so often. I just randomly pop up a goodie bag giveaway for y'all. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Today's notification squad shout outs go to, today's notification shout outs go to April, Candy Gilbert, and is it Melina Perez, one fan. Thank you guys so much for being subscribed to my channel as well as leaving me a comment. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And again, guys, don't forget to check my description below. All the rest of my face will be listed and linked down below for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. That kind of is supposed to let YouTube know to kind of like help promote my channel or whatever, recommend my channel, I think it's called. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to check out that description box so you can check out my daughter's channel and my second channel. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and until next time, my beautiful friends, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.